So just a year ago, I was just like you, watching this video, scrolling on TikTok and YouTube, trying to figure out different ways to generate income from home. And I'm a stay-at-home mom, you guys. At that point in time, I had just graduated from college. I was 8 months pregnant when I graduated college. And then at that point in time, by the time I was trying to find jobs, my son was at least a year old. So of course, you guys can think about the strain that was having on our household with just one income. And I'm super blessed that God allowed me to find these opportunities that I'm about to give you guys. But honestly, I have not had to work a full-time job since I've graduated college. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Katera. I'm an online digital business coach and mentor, and I'm here to help you guys just learn how you can turn your skills into cash. Low cost. You don't need a lot of capital. You don't need a lot of skill. And so let's just get into it. Now in 2025, there are so many different ways to generate income. I'm telling you guys, you are probably overlooking so many of the different ways to make money because the opportunities are endless. So the very first thing is, you guys know AI and artificial intelligence is something that a lot of people are kind of tapping into. I don't know if you guys have ever used ChatGPT before, but that is an AI platform. So the first thing that you guys can start selling, or a side hustle that you can do, is selling AI prompts. Now you might be like, what is an AI prompt? If you are not familiar with ChatGPT or any of these other AI platforms or programs, you have to feed the platform, the AI, artificial intelligence, information to be able to outsource, or in order to also give the output that you're asking. But you have to be very specific, and there are certain ways that you have to train the AI to understand what you're needing from them, so that way they can deliver on what you're asking of them. So you can, if you're really good with coming up with sentences, or even if you've utilized AI before for college, for just, random conversations, I know I've heard people using ChatGPT as their therapist. So if you are good at training the AI to feed you what you're asking for, sell these prompts to people, because a lot of people think that you can just give it basic information, but you have to tell or train the AI to act or think in a certain way, so that way they can be able to generate whatever you're asking them. And with AI, you guys, there are endless possibilities. You can pick a niche specifically if there's a certain thing that you know or you're very familiar with, and come up with prompts that people can utilize and buy from you, such as how to grow online, or how to start up an online business from scratch, or different things, even how to write a college paper. And sometimes you can have it write it for you. Don't tell these professors that I said that. But you guys know it can really help you in all these aspects. So if you've ever utilized AI for any shape, form, or fashion, get ready to start selling AI prompts and get to that bag. Now, the second thing is affiliate marketing through faceless channels or platforms. Now, I know you guys have been seeing everyone doing the online digital products and digital marketing, things like that. I'm gonna talk about that later, but affiliate marketing is another form of that. When you are an affiliate marketer, what you're doing is you're promoting someone else's products in exchange for a commission once you get a sale off of their product. So this is something super easy, something super low startup, you guys, and you can do this without showing your face. So if you're someone that's shy, you can utilize either stock images, stock videos, or you can also take your own videos, take your own stock images, and put them on a faceless YouTube channel with shorts, or you can put them on a faceless Instagram page and start generating affiliate income through channels such as Venable Affiliate Program, the Walmart Creator Program, the DHgate program. And I teach you guys all of these in my Krowned Vision Network. But if you guys are looking for a low cost startup and something that's super easy, faceless is the way to go, because you can also create your own faceless content. You can go inside of stores, take pictures and videos of different things, set it right back down, of course, but then you can promote these and gain a commission for these products once you get a sale virtually. So no inventory, none of that, and you don't have to show your face. It sounds like a win-win to me. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, get on it. Now the next one is PLR ebook reselling. So PLR stands for private label rights. And when you purchase a private label rights ebook or a course, this just means that you can rebrand this product as your own. Now, it doesn't mean like just grab it, slap something different on it, and then resell it, which some people do that. But what I teach my students is, of course, yes, utilize it as like a template, as a skeleton, but incorporate a little bit more information in there, make it juicy, make it irresistible. Because just think about it. If someone else is also selling a PLR digital product, the same one that you bought, and they're not changing it, then you guys are essentially selling the same thing. So of course, you always want to find a way to set yourself apart, but PLR reselling is the easiest way to get into selling digital products. So if you're wanting to get started and create a simple ebook, or even, guys, I'm gonna talk about this in a second, but Amazon KDP, if you don't know what that is, just wait. I'm telling you guys, PLR reselling is super easy to get into, and I also have resources down below in the description for you to look at so you guys can get started reselling your own products as well. Now, the Amazon influencer program is something that I honestly love to do as well. That's another one of my side hustles, and I actually made $4,500 from this in the month of December. So the Amazon influencer program is basically where, you guys know, we always shop on Amazon. We're always buying different stuff and getting our home decor and just random stuff. Sometimes we just think about something we need and we look to Amazon, right? You can make commission when you're promoting these things, but there's something called Amazon on-site commission. And so when you unlock this, once you get inside the influencer program, you are able to get pushed out by ads behind Amazon. When you unlock on-site commissions, Amazon then pushes your content out from your storefront onto the platform. So that way, when someone watches your video, they come across your video and they purchase after watching your video, you will also get a commission. It's kind of like the TikTok Shop Creator program, but once again, it's with Amazon. So if you guys are looking for a low startup, once again, no inventory, or already just promoting things that you have around your house, once again, the Amazon influencer program is the best way to go. Now, there is a little stipulation that some people try to apply and they're not able to get inside of the influencer program. So let me just tell you guys this before you guys go try and you're like, Katera, it doesn't work. You need to make sure that you have at least an active social media account. And when I say active, you need to be posting on that account, but also have people engaging back with you. You don't have to have a lot of followers because they don't select you based off of followers. They base you or they select you based on engagement. So if you don't have a lot of engagement, start just posting content that is engaging, that draws your target audience in, and build a community on there, and then try to go apply again. And then you should be able to get inside the program. Now let's move on to the next one. Now this is something that I did when I first graduated from college. And honestly, you guys, this helped put a lot of money in my pocket straight out of college without having to work, and with a fresh baby. My baby was fresh, okay? I had him the month after I graduated from college. And this thing was called UGC creation, or user generated content creation. So if you're not familiar with what this means, this just means that you are promoting a brand, and you're creating content for them, and you're creating like almost like commercial like videos. They don't have to be super technical, because I also learned that some brands like more natural videos where you're naturally using the product in your video, and it's kind of almost like what I call it, like ghost promoting. So like you place the product in different angles and spaces, and it's kind of like the star of your video, but you're not even talking directly about the product. It kind of gears people to be curious about like what you're using. Why are you constantly showing us this brand? And so brands will pay you for these videos to push your content in ads, and you do not have to have a large following. I was doing this with less than 1,000 followers, you guys, and I made a lot of money. I worked with Mael Organics, I worked with Rizzo's Curls, and so I was able to do this as a smaller creator. Even Febreze, you guys, I had like a little Febreze care package, and I made a cute little video for them. So if you guys are looking for a way to get started in the influencer world and you don't have a lot of followers, please do not stress yourself out about trying to get 10,000 followers to get into the TikTok Shop Creator Fund. It's not worth it. Trust me. You will make more money by reaching out to brands and trying to become a UGC content creator for them. You send them emails, give them your sales pitch, create a portfolio. And this is stuff, like I said, I've all done this before. And I was really successful at it. I just kind of felt like, you know, if I got a degree in marketing, I might as well use it. So creating user-generated content is super easy. It's something that can really break the ice for you to become that influencer that you've always wanted to be. And I just feel like it would be great for you guys to just give it a try. And honestly, it would really build the skill of you creating content for brands. And it will also translate to sales when you're in the TikTok Shop Creator program. And trust me, this is what I do now too, y'all. So that's another side hustle, TikTok Shop. But UGC content creation was the beginning of it all for me. So don't worry about the followers, don't worry about any of that. Just start making content, reach out to these brands, tag them in your videos, start getting seen, and just watch how this will transform not only your confidence but also your pockets, because I'm telling you, these brands will pay. Don't let them play with you, they'll pay. Now this is my favorite. This is what I do, this is what I teach, this is what I help so many people with. And honestly, you guys, the day that I'm recording this video today, one of my students, her name is Jasmine, and she launched her own digital business where I helped her create her offer, and she actually made her first 2 sales today. So let's clap for Jasmine. I'm super excited for her. But yes, so what I'm talking about, you guys, is starting your own online digital business, selling digital products. Now, I'm not a business coach that's gonna sit here and tell you to start by buying a course to resell it. Not saying that it's anything wrong with that, but I mean, because like I said, it's nothing wrong with that. But it always feels good to make your own product and be able to like see the fruits of your labor, to feel what it feels like to actually have people that are wanting what you're offering. So create your own digital business and services and utilize something called Stand Store. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial in the description. That's what I utilize, and that's what I help my students with, creating their stores on Stand Store. But you can create digital products, and you also can host other digital services on there as well, such as online coaching, webinars, and it will host your digital products. And you can also manage your emails and send them out in Stand Store as well. So please listen to me when I say this. Start a digital business. It literally has changed my entire life, you guys. I've been able to make more money than I probably would have ever made if I would have went straight into working corporate right out of college. So listen to me when I say, when you have someone like me, or even if you don't choose me, if you find someone else that can help you and get that out of you to start a digital business, create a digital product that your target audience wants, and be able to sell it as many times as you want to, because once you create a digital product, you can resell it as many times as you want to. You don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about ever running out. You have an endless possibility of income by creating something one time. It changed my life. And if you guys are interested in learning from me and you want to be able to do something like this, it's super easy. I teach you guys how to promote, how to create, and how to gain your confidence. I do have my Krowned Vision Network. The link is in the description. And it's my network, it's my mentorship community where I take you through the process, the same process that I took Jasmine through, to be able to create your own digital products and be able to sell it to your target audience and feel confident and be able to feel fulfilled just by creating something from your computer or from your phone, because you don't need a computer. We work with what we got, okay? But that is the next one, you guys. Create a digital business, sell digital products or digital service, consulting, social media audits, social media management. You can do so much in this umbrella. So yeah, that's the main thing, y'all. If you have a skill, utilize it, especially if it's something as creative as creating a digital product and selling it. And then the last thing is educational community. So if you yourself, you have something that you can offer other people, you know something, you're very knowledgeable on something, teach it. Create an educational community. That's why I created the Krowned Vision Network, because I'm very knowledgeable on marketing, on branding, on social media, on creation, graphic design. Like, I do this. I always love doing this. And so I'm so glad that I created the Krowned Vision Network to be able to teach other creatives and visionaries how to do the exact same thing. So you can create your own community. Like, if you're good at something, if you're really knowledgeable on something, if you just love something, even like my husband, I helped him start a group on sports. Like, he loves sports. And so, I mean, why not? People love to gain more knowledge. They love to gain more ways to like learn something, even if it's something that you think is small. I'm telling you, there's someone out there that is willing to pay a lot for what you know, for your knowledge. Knowledge is valuable. So why not share it with the world? You are knowledgeable. You are valuable. And so when you start to think of yourself as that and start to not so much think of yourself as a coach or a teacher, because one of my students, they were like, I don't want to think of myself as a teacher or a coach. I don't want to call myself that. You don't have to. It's your business. But you are an authority, meaning you are someone that knows how to do something that someone else doesn't. And that makes you an authority. It makes you one step ahead of someone else. And you guys, all you have to be is one step ahead of someone else to be able to create something that someone else would want. So that is all I have for today, but I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up and comment down below in the comments. Have you ever thought about starting any of these hustles? And if you have, what is one thing that's holding you back? Are you afraid to put yourself out there? Because listen, y'all, your fear of looking stupid is holding you back. Take it from me. I used to be right where you are, and I'm so glad that I listened to God when he gave me these ideas. So if you have an idea on your heart and you don't really know how to execute it, join us in the Krowned Vision Network. I will be so glad to have you. But also, you can binge my YouTube videos as well. Like, I promise you, you're gonna learn something, but you're gonna be able to take it with you and be able to relay it into your own business ventures and what you have going on. So I would love to talk to y'all. Please don't watch this video and not talk to me in the comments. Let's go. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.